Here in Ohio, looking ahead to election 2024, a court victory for Ohio voters with disabilities.
A federal judge struck down part of Ohio's election law that restricted who can help voters with disabilities cast absentee ballots.
10 TV political reporter Doug Petcash talked with the executive director of the League of Women Voters, which sued the state over this election law. Doug is live at the State House with what she had to say. Doug?
Well, Yolanda and Andrew, she said that this victory is a victory for every Ohio voter, that our democracy works best when everyone can participate. The law prohibited grandkids, in-laws, roommates, neighbors, and caregivers from helping those with disabilities deliver their ballots to their Board of Elections. The law also made it a felony for any of those people to help a voter with disabilities. The League of Women Voters of Ohio sued Republican Secretary of State Frank LaRose, arguing the law violated the Federal Voting Rights Act. Executive Director Jen Miller says a lot of those with disabilities face challenges voting absentee.
They might struggle with reaching their mailbox or sealing their ballot envelope or returning their ballot to the Board of Elections drop box. And so what this does is make sure that any voter with a disability can choose whatever helper they want.
In a statement, Secretary of State's office Press Secretary Ben Kindle said, "We obviously disagree with the decision and will be consulting with our counsel, the Attorney General, on next steps. This is a challenge to a law passed by the General Assembly, which has the exclusive authority to set the rules of Ohio's elections, so they'll likely be considering the court's ruling here as well." And that is the case. Spokespeople for both the Ohio Senate and Ohio House Republicans say that had no comment today other than to say that they are reviewing the court's opinion. No word on if they will appeal the federal court ruling at this time. Live outside the State House, Doug Petcash, 10 TV News.